Good morning dolls, and welcome back again to my channel. So today is going to be a get ready with me video. It's just going to be from beginning to end, get ready with me. So a lot of it's going to be kind of like fast forward, so that way it's not like a super long video and we're not going to be here all day. I do have to get ready for church this morning, so I just want to do like a very simple Sunday morning like outing. You can go into brunch if you're going to church, if you're going to just hang out with your girls, or something very simple, nothing too dramatic or anything like that. And I actually want to like try this out. This is the new Kevyn Acoin primer that I picked up from Marshall's recently. I've used it a couple times with different foundation, but I actually want to try it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This is a full coverage foundation that is absolutely amazing. I haven't used it in quite some time, so I'm going to go ahead and try it with the primer because I do have a wedding this coming weekend and I want to make sure that it's going to work well for my skin while I'm at the wedding. And I am doing the bride's makeup, so I want to make sure that I'm ready before I do her makeup. So that's going to be like kind of early in the day all the way up until like late at night, so I want to make sure this duo does work well and that it'll stick all day so I don't have to touch up my makeup. So as you guys can see, I do have pigmentation on my face. They came up probably like a year ago. They were so much more pronounced. Like I had kind of noticed a little darkening, but I didn't really pay any attention, and so probably like a year ago they really like came through. There was like so much more pronounced, and I'm like, what the heck is on my face? Now in my family it is kind of hereditary that we have dark pigmentation, so I think that's what that is now that I'm in my 30s. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so we're gonna work and see how well this is going to cover that, because I really hate, I know hate's a strong word, but I really do hate it. I don't like the way it looks on my face, and I've been to the dermatologist. They gave me some cream, but it's not working. I almost feel like I should do IPL, but I know that's kind of pricey, and I don't really know exactly how all of that works. I know it's like a laser to like, they laser over it, and then over the course of like 2 weeks or something it'll like flakes off eventually. I don't know, but I do have an appointment back in July because that's when we're doing a follow-up based on how the cream worked. So we'll see. We'll go from there. So first I'm going to start off with applying my primer. This like literally is like a it's kind of like a gel. I think it is like a gel primer. And I just literally put it in my T-zone area, exactly where I'll get oily in the day. It smells just like peaches. It's so weird that eyeshadow palette smells like that, but it's good. So this literally is it for this get ready with me video. I didn't want to do like any like dark line or anything. I think if you pop on some lashes, it would be super glam. Like it'll just take it up a notch. And I actually think I'm gonna do this look for the wedding next weekend, just because it's different and it's not the norm. Usually I'm like with the, you know, thick black wing liner, and yeah. I seriously forgot how awesome this foundation is, and I can't believe I like stopped wearing it. But I feel like I should wear this more for like special events where I want to have like this very flawless look. Because I think for every day, then I'll get used to that, and then like nothing will beat it. But yeah, it's amazing. Definitely, if you guys have not tried out Estee Lauder, go ahead and try it out. I'm in the color 2W1 Dawn. If I like this look, I'll definitely do another tutorial, kind of like more a slow paced tutorial. That way you guys can really see exactly everything I do, exactly how I wore it to the wedding. I think I might do that like after the wedding, like film it, exactly what I did for that makeup look, because I think I really like this. I would just add a little bit more to the look for the wedding. And yeah, anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media. All information will be on the screen or in the description box down below. Don't forget to leave me any suggestions that you may have for future videos. I would greatly appreciate it. And thanks again so much for watching, and all of those of you who keep on watching my videos, I really do appreciate it. Thanks so much for showing me love. Alright guys, I'll talk to you all next time. Bye!